Tell me when. Now.
He's just cut. Did you press it just so?
Yeah.
He keeps cutting it out. She's walked over to it, he's cut out. Kevin Van's there. You got the record on? You need to go upstairs. Go upstairs and shout me when. You keep... What?
Go on, key it up, key the radio. Key the radio. This is a grey mic now. He's lost it, I think. He's running after it. He stopped it, I think. He's run after it.
Is he running?
So it's on key.
Fucking hell. He's got me over there now. They are.
He's coming, he'll see me.
No.
Hang on.
Outside you went. You can leave it empty outside now.
No.
Hang on.
No, outside you.
He's coming towards the car. Hang on, he'll just see me camera. No, don't do it yet. No, you ain't got it yet doing it. He's keeping still.
Where is he?
He's behind the car. Yeah, he's turned it off. He's turned his transmitter off. Hear the difference?
Yeah, I'll turn it back on in a minute.
He thinks there's something wrong with it.
Are they taking that back? I might get me one of these just to do this.
You might change the frequency. If you can.
Yeah, but you'll find it, won't you? Duffy would love this, man.
Did it work or not?
When you pressed it, it went for a bit, then it just cut out. Keeps cutting this one out.
You can hear it outside when it's
I know, I can see. Oh, is he putting it away?
Where is it?
Yeah, I think he's putting it away.
In the car.
That's teacher.
Oh, what a shame.
And if this is your area, isn't those?
You probably know.